Hi everyone, I am Megha Chaudhary. I hope you all doing great. My topic is Election Commission. The Election Commission of India is a permanent and independent body established by the Constitution of India directly to ensure free and fair election in a country. Under the supervision of the Commission, free and fair election have been held in India at regular interval as per the principle enshrined in the Constitution. The Commissioner consists of a Chief Election Commissioner (CEC) and two Election Commissioner (EC) appointed by the President of India. Now let's see their function and power in the election of India. One of the most important feature of democratic policy in India is election at regular intervals. Free and fair election are externals of a democratic system and are part of basic structure of constitution. The Election Commission is regarded as the guidance of election in a country. In every election, it is issue a model code of conduct for political parties and candidates to conduct election in a free fair manner. The Commissioner issued the Code of Conduct for first time in 1971 for the 5th Lok Sabha election and has been reserved to time to time. It laid down guidelines for the conduct of political parties and candidates during an election period. There have been installed of violation of code by various political parties which complain being reserved for misusing of official machinery by candidates. In ID system, India Private Limited versus Chief Election Commissioner. The Kerala High Court held that the object of Model Code of Conduct is not to stop all government activities but also those actions which may directly influence a section of electoral need to be prevented. The need for such code is the interest of free fair election. The code does not have any specific historic basis, it has only prospective effect. It contains what known as rule of electoral of morality, but this lack of statutory backing does not prevent the Commission of enforcing it. Registration of the political parties. A law of registration process of political parties was enacted in 1989 and a number of parties got registered with the Commission. The registration help avoid confusion and ensure that the political parties are brought under purview of Commission. The Election Commission has the right to allow symbols to the political parties. It gives recognition to the political and nation parties, state parties and regional parties. It sets limits on poll expenses. The Commission prepared electoral rolls and update the voter list from time to time. Notification of date and schedule of elections for filling nomination are issued by Commission. It is noteworthy that the Election Commission cannot allow same symbol to the regional political party even if they are from different state. Booth level officers. Booth level officers is a local government and semi-government official familiar with the local electoral and generally a voter in the same polling area who assist in updating the ruling role using his local knowledge. BLO is representative of Election Commission of India at the grassroots level who plays a vital role in the process of role of revision, collection and actual field in the information of regarding the role corresponding to the polling area. The curb to the growing influences of money during elections. The Election Commission has made many suggestions and changes this regarding. Condition of services. The CEC and the ECs place at the per in the matter of the salary and allowance in the same as the judge of the Supreme Court. The CEC and ECs have all the equal powers in matters of decision. In case of difference decision are taken by the opinion of majority. The Commission take all the election by concerns. The CECs shall not be removed from his office except in the like manner and on the like ground as the judge of the Supreme Court. Service condition cannot be varied to his disadvantage after his appointed. The CECs cannot removed except on the CECs recommendation. Election machinery in states. Chief Electoral Officer 35 district election officers, 601 returning officers in parliament, 543 returning officers in assembly, 4120 assist returning officers in parliament, 4600 assist returning officer in assembly, 10,000 electoral registration officers, 4120 assist electoral registration officers, 4800. Now let's talk about when the election take place. When the election take place, India has been the first country to adopt electoral voting at the such large scale. The electoral voting machine were introduced by the Election Commission in order to reduce malpractices and improve efficiency. When the election take place in India, terms of parliament and assembly is 5 years. Expect J&K assembly where it is 6 years. House can be dissolved before it end terms. Date decided by the commission, no conclusion done with the government. Commission can call for election 6 month prior to the date on which normal tender of assembly or parliament expires. 14 general elections since 1952. By-election when a seat fall vacant. Normally held within 6 months of vacancy. No by-election if vacancy for less than 1 year. Now let's move the time and the mode of election campaign. Campaign period about 30 days or more. End in 48 hours before polling close. Parties choose many for a slogan, door-to-door campaign, etc. Poster, meeting process. At this time, the leader who is standing in the election is do their work, make roads clean, do all the good work for the people, so that the people who are voting for them should believe that he will do more good work after he got elected or win the election. He makes sure to the people he is doing good for them and he is the best candidate he can ever have. Now let's move to the women participation in the election. No specific rule for reservation of seats yet. Political parties expect to pull up the woman candidate in reasonable number. Facilities are separate queues for women voters and a one lady officer at the polling station. This is all the women participation women have in election. Now only they don't have any reservations also in the election commission. All they have is men have the rights to stand in election. They don't have any kind of reservation so that they can be reserved by that. Any right to vote are like citizens who are above than 18 can vote, and this is the most important right every people have. Thank you, ma'am.